So you want to get a divorce, you want to pursue custody. There's a zillion lawyers out there. How do you find the one that's right for you? Well, number one, you're going to promote experiences over promises. Why? You know what promises are? Promises is a function of salesmanship. It's what you experience when you go to buy a used car. Is that what you really want when you talk about your divorce or your custody of your kids? I think not. You want to look at someone's experience, and somebody whose experience is going to tell you, look, no lawyer can promise an outcome, but what we can tell you is that based on our experience, you should expect to see A, B, C, and D. That's a clear communication style, and that's what you want to see. A lot of people say, I want a shark for a lawyer. I want somebody who's aggressive. You want a shark? Go to an aquarium. You'll get a shark. What you really, really want is realistic advice. You want clear communication. You want what advice is realistic for your situation. What are the expectations? What should you truly expect? You should also get somebody who's transparent about the fees. If you come to Goldman and Associates, we're going to tell you, you're going to pay a retainer, which is amount of money up front in the way of a down payment. It's not the end. It's not the last amount that you're going to pay. It's the beginning. Hourly rates are going to be charged against that retainer, and then you're going to be responsible for more hourly rates if the case generates more time. And because it's not you against nobody, it's you against somebody, and they have a strategy, and they're going to be filing stuff against you, your lawyer cannot possibly tell you how many hours it's going to take. At most, it's a blind guess. Now, it could be based on experience, and they could tell you most cases like this cost about $20,000. Most cases like this take between 25 hours and 35 hours. Experienced lawyers can give you parameters, but they're never going to tell you exactly what it's going to cost because they don't know. And if they tell you, oh, this is never going to cost more than X amount of dollars, that, my friends, that's just salesmanship. That's the car salesman talking. You want to avoid that. You want to be comfortable. You want it to be a comfortable relationship. You want to be a comfortable fit for your particular goals. That's what's important. You want a lawyer that has the same vision of the case as you. If your vision is you want to get along with your ex when it's all over, then you don't want a lawyer that's going to spend the next 8 months crucifying him because you'll never get along with that guy. So your vision of the case should be the same as your lawyer's vision of the case. And if you share the same vision and he's got experience and he clearly communicates to you and he's transparent about fees and he's realistic, that's the lawyer for you. That's the one that you should have representing you.
248-588-3333. 248